really gorgy. Great vibes. Yeah.
5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my eyes. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind my mind, it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need, right? Yeah, I really need China. I need a free mind now. I really need
Scholarship?
I think this is our
That's
chef.
That's our chef,
I
yeah.
think it's our chef.
Work study.
I really need a free mind now. I really need mine now, yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me a love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one the price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot break. I need to find relief. But behind my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Fighting to give up my bed.
The girlies are also very unserious because you come all the way to Mexico to get a fucking matcha that's literally Japanese. Like, we gotta get so serious.
They said be there at 11.
Yeah, that's why I had.
What are you ordering, Queen?
I'm gonna get a tropical punch smoothie. Mango, pineapple,
Stunning.
water.
Look,
Wow. Strawberry, peanut butter, banana.
Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Yeah, OVO Sound 2025. Who's calling that shit?
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Annie? Was it Danny? Is it Party?
baby
Any
girl.
last thoughts before we leave?
Any last thoughts? I'm on the clock.
Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl, take a fine ass home, and that's real.
We made it to the boat, ladies. I don't need any drama.
I don't need Tommy, I'm good.
Feeling like a real auntie with my mom on the boat. It's nice.
You're on your grandma's boat.
God forbid my granny take me on a fucking boat ride. Oh, my pina colada. That's right.
I want you to stay. Till I'm in the grave. Till I run away. Till I'm in the casket you carry. You go, I'm going too. 'Cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose but my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together when you.
How are you guys feeling post boat?
Feeling tired. Game down.
I'm feeling
Everybody wants some margarita.
tired, but tan. Tired but tan. That's how I'm feeling. Yum. We need a corn. I have 2 al pastor. I have 1 chicken and 1 beef, and then they gave free rice. Did you guys eat the free rice?
Yeah, I'm eating it now.
It's yum. It's actually pretty good. Okay. I actually love this. The only thing, the only thing I wish is that the al pastor had pineapple.
The fucking camera. You're millennial, and do you
Go ahead. Representing for the millennials.
millennial queen?
I love get closer so we can see the whole fit. Are my glasses over there? Okay. Me vibing out with my bikini, my little overalls, my little flip-flops. It's giving like chill. She comes to Tulum all the time. Effortless. They tried to make me feel bad about these overalls, but I literally look like
Honestly,
I think it's every fucking Tuesday, bitch. Here's little red sunnies.
Alright, today
Look at this.
The sunglasses help the outfit. They really do.
I
love it. I love
Tuesday.
it.
Beach bag. It's like, oh, you've never been to Taboo.
It's serving young mom, and I kind of love it.
It's barely talking.
The man them too inconsiderate, 5-star hotel smoking cigarette, mixing codeine up with a Finnegan. She got thick but she wanna get thin again, drinking apple cider vinegar, wearing skim cause she wanna be Kim in them. Alright, I know they are bad, stop acting innocent. We ain't got generational wealth, it's only a year that I've had these millions. My whip could have been in a Tokyo drift car, it's fast and furious, I went from the...
That was crazy.
Give your review of the swings.
Tulum swings, 10 out of 10. I feel like a child again. And we are on a 10-minute walk to Tulum, but we stopped because there was a sign for rest margaritas. It's a rest bar. So we all got... What did we get, ladies?
Toyota Yaris to Eurus, they had their chance but blew it. Now this gal want me and her uterus, fuck it, I'm rich, let's do it.
Take a look at these diamonds, wrong as a life for squinting, can't just stare. We're bathed through thick and thin, she already...
Day 4. Oh, gotcha. We are... It's our last day. It's day 4, but it's our last full day. We are at the cenote club, which is not a traditional cenote. You can get what, Tiana? Massages? Massages. Massages. The worst experience.
Ever come here.
Love that fucking nigga. Yeah, it's so unstyle for me. Spend a day to get my mind blown. Dress it up and go to Nassau. 200 miles on the dash. Gotta roll a pound up.
Y'all, we have made it to the end of the trip. My wig is done. It looks crazy, but I did just wet it a bit so that a bit of the salt water could come out. And I'm gonna just blow dry the lace really quick. I might even just throw a hat on because I don't have time to deal with laying the damn wig for the flight. I feel like my dilemma when traveling is if the flight is short or it's overnight, then I'll wear pajamas and I enjoy it. But I feel like as soon as you start having a super lengthy flight where you're going to be flying all day, it's kind of like I should get ready for the day. It starts to feel like I should just get ready for the day. But then you're also like, if I'm flying all day, I also want to be comfortable. So I'm wearing these pants. I don't know if you can see that completely, but they're like these fucking cargos that I got from this lady in downtown. Love her. And then just this white tank. And then I'm gonna bring a sweater and call it a day. Oh, I also have these flats on, which are, I don't remember where I got these flats actually. I think from Zara. Yeah, I think from Zara. But I might switch to the Solomons. I honestly might switch to my Solomons, but we'll see.
Do we used to take a long time to get ready? You used to wait too much out of that kind of stuff. Dirty red around the kills. Just the dress looks nice, so you still landed up with your love. Long time just to see. I'm happy to be catching up. hand. Love is old age, and I can't tell you who's gonna last. Maybe that's the answer I don't have. Maybe that's the answer I don't have.